In this video, we'll look at using the Shift and Randomize feature to create new grooves to inspire your practice sessions. Here I have a basic right-hand, left-hand ostinato in sequencer 1, just giving us 8 notes with a backbeat on 2 and 4. In sequencer 2, I'm going to edit the pattern and enter a full bar of 16th notes. I'm going to tap on line 1 and add 8 kicks and 8 rests. So now we have this. Now I'm going to tap in sequencer 2 and go to the Shift Randomize page. You can learn a lot more detail about this by tapping on the Shift Randomize Rhythms info button and then viewing the web page. For now, I'll show you that you can tap on sounds and use the shift arrows to move those sounds through the rhythm. You can also use the Randomize Sounds button to mix them up. This gives you a completely new groove. You can lock either the Shift or Randomize features to the main page. Let's lock the Shift and choose to lock right. And by default, this is set to shift every 2 repeats. And now the pattern will shift. You can also choose to lock the randomize instead of the shift. This will now randomize the sounds every 2 repeats. You can use these features to generate an endless number of grooves for inspiration or practice. Let's have a look at using this to generate random melodies. I'll go to Edit Pattern. I'll press and hold the Delete button to clear the entire line, and then I'll go to the keyboard. Let's choose a scale and enter notes from this scale. Now I've entered a whole bar of sounds. I'm going to enter another whole bar of rests. You'll notice when I press the rest button that the rhythm will loop. Now we get a whole other bar of rhythm. If I tap at the end and enter a rest, it will fill this whole bar with rests. Now when I go to shuffle this, the sounds and the rests will be mixed up, and so we will get a bar with a mix of sounds and rests. And then it's shuffled. Now if I wanted this to repeat, we'll tap and go to Edit Pattern, tap on the sounds, and then on the reset, choose to reset each cycle. That means that on the second repeat, instead of PolyNome playing the second bar of sounds, it will just jump back and play what it played the first time. So now we will get a random melody repeated twice, and then we will get a mixed up melody repeated twice. So that's Shift and Randomize in PolyNome. Remember, there's a lot more information if you tap on the info button on this page.